Hello folks, so get asked questions about fitting the 3D printed night vision kit. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to show you quickly how it's done. So things to one side, so you can rest that there initially. What we'll do is we just take this, take your screw, yeah, whatever that's called, we'll call it a screw today. Tighten up that nice and tight, so that's not going anywhere. And what we want to do, put the screw in there and wing nut. Haven't really found anything that is different for me. And all we need to do, I'm just using a two battery pack, but generally I reckon that you'd probably want to have 3 in there, depends on how long you want to shoot. Plug in the power pack, we'll just turn that around, so there you go. As you can see with this is a kit that I've just built up. I just need to focus the crosshairs, but I cover that in another video, how to do that. But essentially that's it. You've just got to adjust this to be central. And that's it. Nice sturdy attachment. Hopefully that'll answer a lot of questions for a lot of people.